Hello teens, I am Lucha Kuga, and I have been reading what you've been writing in your Google Forms, and how many of you say that you prefer Mr. Sergeant over Lucha Kuga? Well, not anymore. I've taken matters into my own hands. I saw Mr. Sergeant, and once again from out of nowhere, I gave him an RKO. And when he was down, I took my scissors. But this time, I didn't cut his tie. That's right. This time, I cut his precious hair. Ha! No more saying, oh, doesn't it look so nice? Oh, it doesn't need any fixing. Ha! No more saying, oh, is his hair blonde or is it ginger? Because now it's neither. Ha! I'm sure Mr. Sergeant told you all about how to calculate the length of an arc created by a sector. But what he did not tell you to do is how to calculate the area that is inside of that arc. And this can only be taught well by Lucha Kuga. We follow a simple formula. The area of the sector, which we don't know, so we call it X, over the central angle of the sector, which is 45 degrees, and this is equal to the area of a circle as taught by me, Lucha Kuga. Over the central angle of a circle, which is always 360 degrees. Let's try. We do not know the area of the sector, so we call it X. But we do know the central angle of the sector. It is given to us as 45 degrees. The area of a circle is pi times radius squared, and this circle has a radius of 8. And the central angle of every circle is the same thing that Mr. Sergeant does every day now. He's always spinning in circles looking out for his back, looking for me, Lucha Kuga. Central angle, always 360. And from here, we do a simple cross multiplication. 45 times 3.14 times 64 is equal to 360x. We divide both sides by 360. Let your calculator do the work. Round it to the nearest tenth. 25.1 equals x. Let us try another. We are again going to calculate the area of this sector. We don't know how much area is there, so we refer to it as x. So the area of the sector, we do not know, we call it x. The central angle of the sector, 112 degrees. The area of the circle, pi times radius squared, and the radius is 15. And the central angle of every circle is 360 degrees. And now, using your calculator, you just cross multiply. 112 times 3.14 times 225 is equal to 360 times x. We divide both sides by 360 degrees. Your calculator does the work. Rounded to the nearest tenth, you get 219.8 is equal to... You're next! You're next! Some other teacher, I'll worry about that teacher later. In the meantime, I have taken care of Mr. Sergeant. At the bottom of your Google form this week, you will be asked who you like better, Lucha Kuga or Mr. Sergeant. For your sake, I hope you pick Lucha Kuga. Your assignment is due at the end of the week. Once again, teens, I am Lucha Kuga.